Hello! Good day to each and everyone, especially to you, ma'am. So, I am Salik by City Aisha, third year student from Cotabato State University, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. I am the reporter of topic number 7, the protein. So, protein contains carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and sometimes phosphorus. Proteins are large molecules formed from the combination of number of simple substance known as amino acids, the building blocks. So, ano nga ba ang protein? At bakit ito importante at bakit ito importante sa atin? So, mahalaga ang protein sa ating katawan lalo na sa pananatili ng malulusog na cells at mga isyo sa ating pangangatawan. Mahalaga din ang kumain ng mga pagkaing mayaman sa protein sapagkat makakatulong ito sa developing ng kanilang mga muscles at buto. Kapag nagbi-build ng muscles ang katawan, nababawasan ang fats sa katawan, mas firm at iniiwasan ang paglaylay ng katawan habang nababawasan ang timbang. Ano ang mga sakit na makukuha kung kulang ka sa protein? So, pakinggan nyo to. Kung kulang sa protein ang isang tao, maaaring makaranas siya ng paglalagas ng kanyang buhok at ang pagkakaroon ng mga split ends dito at pagkakaputol-putol ng mga buhok. Yan siya. So the structure of proteins: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and the quaternary structure. Proteins are large molecules formed by the combination of a number of amino acid. About 21 amino acid have been found to occur in proteins. They are listed below. So, ano nga ba ang function and structure of protein? So, ang mga protina ay napakahalagang mga molecule sa ating mga selula at mahalaga sa lahat ng nabubuhay na organismo. Sa pamamagitan ng timbang, ang mga protina ay sama-sama ang pangunahing sangkap ng dry wet of cells at kasangkot sa halos lahat ng function ng cell. Ang bawat protina sa loob ng katawan ay may particular na pag-andar mula sa suporta sa cellular, sa cell signaling at cellular locomotion. Sa kabuuan, mayroong 7 uri ng mga protina kabilang ang antibodies, enemies at ilang uri ng mga protina. So, the first one is the monoamino carboxylic acids. This include glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, molicin, serine, and threonine. And the second is the monoamino carboxylic acid. This include aspartic acid and glutamic acid. The number 3 is the diamino monocarboxylic acids. Arginine and lysine belong to this group. And the sulfur containing amino acid. These are cysteine and methionine. So the last is the aromatic and heterocyclic amino acids. This include phenylalanine or lalanine, tyrosine, histidine, tryptophan, and hydroxyl proline. So the main type of linkage between the amino acids in the protein molecules is the peptide bond. When proteins are heated, decrease in their solubility is observed. This is known as denaturation. Okay, so the next is the classification of proteins. Proteins are biochemical, classified into three groups based on their chemical composition. They are simple proteins, conjugated proteins, and derived proteins. So the number one is the simple proteins. On hydrolysis, simple proteins yield only amino acids. A protein such as the globulin that yield amino acid as the chief or the only product of the complete hydrogen. So for the example is the albumins, globulins, gluteins, prolamins, fibrous, protein, and histamines. So the number two is the conjugated proteins. On hydrolysis, conjugated proteins give a protein fraction and non-protein fraction. Conjugated protein is a protein that functions in interaction with other chemical groups attached by covalent bonding or weak interaction. Many proteins contains only amino acids and no other chemical groups. They are called simple protein. So the next is the derived proteins. Derived proteins are derived from a mother protein, either through hydrolysis or digestion. As the name suggests, derived protein are derivatives of proteins. These proteins are obtained from simple or conjugated proteins as a result of partial hydrolysis by the action of acid. So, enzymes or alkalis, these are called derivative proteins. Example are peptones, peptides, and proteases. So, the nutritional classification of protein are classified into complete protein, partially incomplete proteins, and incomplete proteins based on the presence of essential amino acid in them. Yes, so complete protein, a complete protein food contains all essential amino acid in a proper proportion. It helps contain to promote growth, maintenance, and repair. For the examples, the milk, egg, and the fish. Yes. And the last one is the partially incomplete proteins. Partially incomplete proteins lack one or more essential amino acid, and beans will help to maintain the body but cannot promote growth. For the example of the beans is the red gram, peas, and the green gram. And that's for all. Thank you.